Hello and welcome to Trade Talks. My name is Yogesh. Although the market rallied to kick off 2020 amid renewed global trade optimism, a US airstrike that killed a top Iranian general on Thursday night caused stocks to plunge following the news, as geopolitical tensions in the Middle East continue to escalate. All three major US equity indices, the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial and Nasdaq Composite, started the new year as they finished the last, pushing into record high territory. However, the bullish sentiment ended abruptly with the escalating Middle East tensions. Most equity markets erased their earlier gains, oil and gold prices surged, and government bond yields fell. Until Friday's Middle East flare-up, the week's market action was dominated by encouraging economic news from China and the announcement that US President Donald Trump expects to sign Phase 1 of a trade deal with China on January 15th. Virtually all major markets jumped into the green on Thursday. Sentiment got a boost from Chinese purchasing manager indices remaining well in the expansionary zone, a solid rebound for industrial profits in China, and the People's Bank of China cutting its required reserve ratio by 50 basis points to provide more support to the economy. The S&P 500 ended the week slightly lower. The energy sector was among top performers as crude prices jumped. Gain in defense stocks lifted the industrial sector. Technology also held on to a positive weekly return after the Friday selling. Technology shares have been major beneficiaries of the de-escalation in trade tensions. Going into the year-end, equities were buoyed by reports of strong holiday season revenues, especially at Amazon.com Inc., whose record-breaking season pushed the Nasdaq index past 9,000 for the first time. Most major European stock markets fell into the red as a result of the Friday sell-off. Germany put in the poorest showing after higher than expected unemployment data, further soared the mood there. In Asia, Hong Kong and Shanghai stocks managed to hang on to gains in the wake of the encouraging trade and economic news in China. Iran strongly condemned the Trump administration's airstrikes on Friday, calling them an extremely dangerous and foolish escalation, while also vowing to retaliate with its own measures. Now, analysts are concerned that the US strikes will lead Iran to retaliate by attacking the oil infrastructure of American allies in the Middle East, like Saudi Arabia. Such a retaliation would disrupt global oil supply chains and likely send the price of oil skyrocketing even further. So be careful and manage your risk by diversifying your investment portfolio. Friends, that's all from me. Stay tuned for more market updates next week. Trade safe and have a happy new year. Thank you so much for watching this video. To keep yourself updated about the latest happenings in the world of financial markets, subscribe to this channel. To know more about our seminars in the month of January, register on www.century.ae. My name is Yogesh and you have a great week ahead.